nature's tranquil escape. In the heart of a tranquil forest, where time seems to slow, a lone fisherman stands at the riverbank, casting his line into the gentle flow of the stream. The world around him is serenely alive, with the distant calls of birds echoing through the trees. Sunlight dances through the canopy, painting golden patterns on the forest floor as it filters through the leaves. The water flows gracefully, whispering its secrets to the rocks and creating a soothing melody that harmonizes with the soft rustling of leaves in the gentle breeze. The fisherman finds solace in this natural symphony, his heart beating in rhythm with the soft lapping of waves against the sandy riverbank. As he waits patiently, the scene unfolds like a slow-motion dream. The gentle sway of tree branches, the delicate ripples on the water's surface, and the occasional flutter of a bird taking flight. Each moment is a portrait of peace, painted in shades of blue and green, with warm tones of light casting a serene glow over the landscape. Beyond the forest, the scene shifts to a quiet meadow where the sun bathes the earth in a warm embrace. Birds chirp softly in the background, their songs weaving a tapestry of tranquility. Here, the world feels expansive and open, inviting a mindful pause to breathe deeply and connect with nature's gentle rhythms. The soft transitions between scenes create a seamless journey into relaxation, drawing the viewer into a meditative state of being. The ambiance is further enhanced by minimal background sounds, a distant roll of thunder, the murmur of a soft piano melody that complement the visual serenity. Each element comes together to inspire a sense of calm and mindfulness, inviting the viewer to find peace within themselves. As the day unfolds in this harmonious setting, the fisherman remains a quiet observer, a part of the tranquil world around him, embodying the essence of relaxation and connection with nature.